Hi everyone, my name is Michael Medina. I am the Director of Sales for TransAct's food service technology. It's the BOHA suite of applications. And what BOHA is, it's giving you the ability to take manual processes that take place in a kitchen environment and digitalize them. So when you're looking at where is my ROI, that sort of a thing, it's basically on the labor savings when it comes to things such as labeling food, taking temperature readings of food every 2 hours in a kitchen environment, monitoring the temperature of freezers and refrigerators and that sort of thing. All of these things have to be done in any kitchen environment globally. What we do is we give you the ability to digitalize that, to automate it. Now your employees have a more efficient environment to work within, and it's very easy to adopt the technology. So myself, coming from the background of a food and beverage director in Las Vegas, it makes a lot of sense. It makes complete sense when you're looking at having 50 to 200 units and wanting to keep everybody consistent and on the same page and doing everything the same. This is the type of technology that you can deploy globally, that your employees very easily adopt, and it makes a lot of sense to them as well as to your leadership. So when it comes to our labeling technology, for example, this is what we call the Terminal 2. It's our newest model. We've had it in deployment as of July of last year. It is purpose-built hardware. So we build the hardware, we supply the labels, and then we have software that's associated depending on the type of labeling that you're doing. So for an employee, for example, they would go into the labeler, they would find which application they're looking for. It's as simple as finding the item itself, hitting print, and you produce a label. It is thermal print technology, so there's no ink involved, and this is a preparation label. Our team works with our partners to build out all of the data that's on the label. So if we want day of the week, if we want the employee's initials for tracking purposes, whatever the situation is, we can configure these for you. We can set up a situation where it's one hit of a button to produce 50 labels at once, which we call a batch print. So when you're thinking of the labor savings involved in that versus handwriting each one, and then maybe having room of error with dates and that sort of thing, it's all programmed, it's very simple to use, and it's very efficient.
Hi, my name is Diego Mejia. I'm the Director of Customer Experience with TransAct Technologies. I'm here to show you a little bit about the Epic Edge. This is our Tito printer that goes inside the slot machines. This is the new product that we're showing at the show. So the particularities of this product are that we have a multi-protocol board in the back that covers pretty much 100% of the casinos. It has a USB port for downloads, but what people like the most is the fact that you can flash through a micro SD card. So for technical operators and technicians at the casino, they can easily flash and reutilize the printer in different games by simply inserting a micro SD card. All the TransAct products, what we do is we print, we burst, and then we present. So in this case, the ticket comes out, and there's no interaction from the player pulling paper out. So this is the Epic Edge, and it's currently available for purchasing. What we have here is our couponing system. It's called Epicentral. Epicentral was designed for marketing departments at casinos to get more value out of the printer inside the slot machine and to award customers while they were playing. So what we wanted to accomplish was to generate awards based on triggers and gameplay. And the system will provide a very easy and intuitive interface for the marketing department to interact with, and they can actually design different type of coupons. They have a way to incorporate graphics, different types of barcodes. The idea is to use these coupons to incentivize players to gamble more and stay more time playing at the slot machine. And we have different reports, and what we do is we incorporate it with the CMS or the system provider to be able to collect the data from the player session. We analyze the data, and we, according to the conditions and the design of the campaign, we're able to check the player session data and create or generate a coupon. So for example, in this case, I'm just gonna give you an example of the print. So as player is gambling in the slot machine, and if the conditions are met, the player will get the award directly from the slot machine, and it's gonna have all the design from the system, so the player can accumulate points or coupons to be redeemed later. So this is an interaction from system to the slot machine through the same ticket printer inside.